Mama kwa onkwa, abugeli muno sonu onkwa. Bracket today, no kana mighty, I'm gonna me for jama.
Not only you they kiss me nice, not only you they make me feel right. Now your love they make me high. Only your love they make me feel high.
I cannot do without you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a video of me actually showing you guys a very easy, a quick and a more realistic way to just easily put on your frontal, lace frontal or 360 wig and just go out. There's not gonna be anything like baby hairs and all those things. It's just like a simple realistic way. It might not be the best, but you know, let's face reality. If you want to go out every day, you don't have time to start laying your edges with the gel and everything. Like, it can be too much sometimes. So this video is just going to be a very realistic, simple, easy and fast way to just put on your wig and then off you go. So I know right here may be a little bit too transparent. I kind of went overboard with the plucking, so when you're plucking your lace frontal, please be careful. You can see that it looks natural and it actually looks like my hair. The wig is from Wow Africa Hair Company. The hair is so beautiful. It's a kinky texture. I'm going to put all the old specs in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. So now let's just get into the video. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a pre-plucked wig, so you don't have to do any plucking, but I decided to do a little bit of plucking and I regret doing that, honestly. So the wig is very full, very thick, and it's a full 360 lace frontal wig. So right here I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the spare lace in front. And it also came pre-bleached, so I didn't have to do much with that. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation on my stocking cap, because the stocking cap is a bit lighter than my normal skin tone, so I'm just applying my foundation to make it to appear like more of my skin tone color. So right here I'm just gonna go ahead and apply more foundation. And then I'm going to put on the wig. You guys can see that the front area in the middle, I just went overboard with the tweezing. So this wig came pre-plucked, so you don't have to pluck it at all. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my Got It With Glue gel on each side of the wig. I don't want to apply it all over because I'm seriously trying to save my edges right here. And then I'm going to allow it to dry a little bit and I'm going to place the wig on it. So right here I'm going to go ahead and create simple baby hair, but I will not be laying it down. I just want it to look as natural as it possibly can be, and this is what it looks like, guys. It's really nice and it looks simple and natural. You don't have to apply any gel or any edge control to lay whatever. It just looks simple. So right here I'm gonna do a side part, and it really looks very beautiful with the side part. I love this hair, it's so beautiful. Then right here I'm gonna do a style on it. You guys know I love to cornroll, so I'm gonna just cornroll it this way just to do something, you know, beautiful with it. And this is what it looks like. Very lovely. And that's what's gonna be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Yeah. Bad guys in the building. I told you I'm the life for the party. Why your guys want to try collate?